Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to quickly show you how I make trimmer lines when they break. Just a quick DIY. You got things around in your house that you could make. So I've got some old trimmer line, pretty cheap. Can't remember where I got it from, but the new BOSH trimmer that I've got, it takes these. So it's got like this metal bit in the middle, kind of just crimped in. It's normally longer, but it's snapped, and at the moment, because of this lockdown situation, I can't get any. I don't really even want to go out, to be honest. But yeah, so this is, I'm just going to measure what it is at the moment. So this fits into the trimmer holder part. That's about 15 millimeters, 5.5 millimeters. Actual trimmer line, 2.4 millimeters. But yeah, this is a bit thinner, but it will still do the job. You can get the thicker ones. This one is 1.7, probably about 1.6. But yeah, anyway, so what I do, you just get a crimp and take this end bit off. You can. Just get a bit of a trimmer line. Just measure out quite a long length. I'm not sure exactly because some models have a U-bend kind of thing where it takes up more string. But yeah, just take a little bit. And then put it through. Make sure they're equal lengths on each side. And there's two ways. You can either just press it in with pliers, or you can just use a crimping tool if you got one. Line it up how you would do. Just line it up how you would do any crimp, basically. Yeah, and then you can just trim off the edges if you need to, but it seems to work for me. Take the plastic off, but yeah, it's in there tight, and it's been working. I've been using it for a long time. Because all it is just, all they've done is they've just got this and then just crimped it middle. You can use maybe like hammer and a flathead screwdriver, so you can just hammer it in. You just need to find something that's metal, that tube shape, which can work. Yeah, or you can use the long tubes. These are a bit longer, so I just trim the ends off, and then you can just squash it down with your pliers or your anything really. But just make sure it's in there tight. This one might be a little bit too small. We look at this one. This is just the insulation. It's about the same length. I'll just use put that through. Give it a squeeze, maybe a couple. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helps somebody. get some cheaper trimmer lines, and don't forget to like and subscribe and keep learning. Thanks for watching.